Today our topic is how to add an audience in a Google Analytics GA4. Go into the admin and click on audience. Set up a new audience, remarketing audience according to your plan or a custom audience. Click on that. If you want to add it audience according to the event based, conversion based, depend on you. For example, here I'm going to set up in purchase. Days depend on yourself. In app 30 days and save. Here is the process. You can add a different type of audience for your Google ads and for other things. You can easily set up in this area. Go into the audience, click on a new audience, and this is a plan is available. A different type of audience is available in this area. For example, if you want to use a purchase audience, app purchases, e-commerce purchases. And if you want to add any parameter on there, you can just do it. Okay, hopefully you understand properly how to add an audience. Thank you.